What I really love about Yogibo is the fact that it is not only comfortable, but it really provides a lot of benefit for children, young adults, any individual really.
When you look at patients who come in with back pain or joint pain, so even athletes with all these issues of basically repetitive stress on a joint, pressure relief and getting the relief from pain is a big deal. Obviously, sitting on an uncomfortable couch doesn't work. But with Yogibo, with the way the whole beanbags and sitting products are designed, that really helps them relieve the pressure points, relieving pain.
Because you're able to sit on it and be not just really comfortable, but because of the way that it is designed, it allows you to be in a position with no effect to certain pressure points in your body.
From a medical perspective, obviously when you're a patient looking for products like this, I think you can get flooded in the market, but understand that purchasing a Yogibo product is not only purchasing something that is high quality, but also is something that has proven physiological and medical benefits.